Hey racers, how's it going? My name is Austin Fishfarner over here at SCI Distribution, and we wanted to put together a couple videos to show you some of the key components on the RZR Factory Pro R vehicle. So a lot of the key components of the car are actually controlled from your fingers while you're driving, right on the steering wheel. You can actually take the shocks and change between 4 different shock modes, all the way from Baja 2 down to a comfort mode, just with the push of a button on the steering wheel. You can also use the Dynamics red button, which we call the O button, and it makes it so that the shocks go to full compression all the way around. Also on the steering wheel is going to be a radio push to talk, so if you want to communicate with your crew during the race, you can use that button, along with a rear view camera button, just in case you want to see if there's any competition coming up behind you.